Hi, ma'am, sir. My name is May. I'm 41 years old. I'm from Bagao, Philippines. I am married. I don't have children. My highest education attainment is college graduate. My expertise are child care, elderly care, and pet care. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 2 years with one employer. Currently, I serve one couple and two kids, aged 7 and aged 5 and 2, I should say. My duties are taking care of the kids, cooking Chinese food, sometimes Western food, doing all household work like cleaning, laundry, ironing, and marketing. I'm willing also to take care of pets. To my future employer, ma'am, sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I'm I'm hardworking, honest, fast learning, and willing to learn new tasks. I am willing to render overtime, and I promise to be a good housemate and promise to prioritize my job and finish my contract or more. Thank you, ma'am, sir, and looking forward to work with you. Thank you.